Do you know many people are having trouble with removing the chrome door trim on their 2019 Honda Accord Sport? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Pry trim edge. Pry on the edge of the chrome door trim using a flat-tip screwdriver to loosen it from the door panel. Step 2. Slide screwdriver along. Carefully slide the screwdriver along the trim to gradually detach it from the clips holding it in place. Step 3. Pull trim away. Once the trim is loosened, gently pull it away from the door panel to remove it completely. Step 4. Inspect clips. Inspect the clips on the trim and the door panel to ensure they are not damaged during the removal process. Step 5. Clean attachment area. Clean the area where the trim was attached to remove any residue or dirt before installing a new trim or leaving it trimless. Step 6. Store or dispose trim. Store the removed trim in a safe place if you plan to reuse it, or dispose of it properly if not needed. Now, you should be able to confidently remove the chrome door trim on your 2019 Honda Accord Sport. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Honda users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.